It's me, Amanda, and I'm here with my good friend,
Elizabeth Koennecke,
and she is playing
Meg March
in
Little Women.
And I am here to ask her some questions about the show. So let's get started. What is this play about?
Well, it's based on the book Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. It's a story about family, change, and personal growth.
Great. Well, it's no Cats on Hot Tin Roof, but what you're missing is that it is about girls and women who are very short. And it's their journey and growth to be taught. Do you like musical theater?
Yes, very much.
Well, I don't, because nobody sings in real life unless you're singing Happy Birthday, so you're wrong. How did you make your theater debut? Were you a tree? I could totally see you playing a tree.
I started as an orphan in A&E.
Boring. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you dating a co-star?
No.
How hot is he? On a scale of Liam Hemsworth to Heman.
I'm not dating anyone.
So you had to tell me how hot he is.
Chris Hemsworth.
He doesn't even touch Jennifer Lawrence. You had to use someone from the Hunger Games. Duh! How did you prepare for that stage kiss? You want to practice? You know you always use the back of your hand like this. So practice on you now. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm really good at it, and everyone says I'm really good. You know my cat, Catnip, she says I'm perfect, purty, and I'm meowsing. Jennifer Lawrence says I'm really good. Did you do a monologue?
No, we sang a song.
Okay, well, really what you should have done at least the monologue from Thumbelina, because it fits the theme of Little Women. And also, Tendency Williams is really good. As you've probably seen some of my monologues, I'm really talented, and Tendency writes some really good stuff, so you should have used his monologue.
I'll look into it for next time. Thank you for the advice.
Anytime. Are you an advanced enough actress like myself to be on Broadway?
No.
That's what I thought. How do you warm up?
I like to walk my space and walk as my character.
This is a perfect opportunity for us to practice. Okay, this is not effective. Let me try something. Come over here. Over here. Okay. Okay, me. You! Me! You! Me! Me! You! Me! Me! You! Me! 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 You! You! Perfect. That's how you do a warm-up.
Thank you.
What designer will you be wearing at your red carpet debut? My mom has a beautiful Vera Wang turtleneck, if you would like to borrow it. Do you like cats or dogs?
Dogs. You're wearing a dog turtleneck.
That's because dogs are like cats in disguise. Duh! Do you have a pet?
No.
Do you practice your monologue? You don't have a pet?
I don't have a pen.
Do you like Jennifer Lawrence?
Yeah. She's cool.
Great. At least we have that in common. Hunger Games or Catching Fire?
I haven't seen Catching Fire yet.
Leave. Get out! You heard me. Go! Wait, I actually have one more question. Did you know Jennifer Lawrence and I have the same last name?
It's a really fun fact.
Well, clearly you can see that we have two pretty talented actors, one really talented, and then so that was our interview. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye.